Grata Jess is what I'm trying.
Morning. I slept through my alarm. It went off at 6:45. It hit snooze, and then next thing you know, I'm waking up at 8:30. So there's that. Sorry, Justin. What happened? What happened again? Drake, no, say it ain't so. Oh man. Gonna feel empty. I was actually pretty proud of our front page performance. After we were off the front page, we still had 1,200 viewers, so that's not typical. Two. Hidden seller, son of a gun. It could go. Of course, it does go. Every time. when I have like hardly any position left, then it juices every freaking time. It's 406. Whatever. First trade, $100. Blah blah blah. And there goes SBF.
Thank fuck we're off the front page. Ooh, Billy. Back to our bullshit boys and girls. Let's end the week strong.
It's an interesting headline. Now I'm gonna go get my ears scanned for my new IEMs. It's where quite a freaking trip for this spiel. No, like the chick that does it only works Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. So it's like where am I going? Let's just say it's close to Nashville. By close, I mean within a 5-hour radius. Must be good IEMs. Well, it's not her, it's not the IEMs that I'm getting. It's the fitting for them. And the person that is where I'm going is the best in the country inside her company, which is Ultimate Ears. So I could have gone somewhere much closer to get it done, but then I wouldn't have had the best person do it. How you screw this thing up, I have no idea. It's literally a scan of your ear, like a laser that think like LiDAR, right? Of your ear. I don't know how you don't do it well. Like you see it on a screen, the part that it's scanned. Oh, I didn't get that part yet. Let me get over here. Oh, I didn't get that part. I don't know how you screw it up. How is everybody not doing this as good as her? But there are people. Apparently. NB 355. So 1 minute. I don't trust it. Oh, I got filled in 59. Oof. That's brutal. And there goes the profit. Yeah, Saul, I traded S or UAL after hours and SBEV, and I made like almost $900. That's after selling that hunk of garbage called NMAX calls. Fighting that Bollinger Band. Right, got a chunk of it back. Compensate. Do we have something today? Fed speech. Huh. Be interesting to see what he says. He said more than I thought he would say last speech he had. Just want to delete. Boss getting closer. Getting closer. That's pretty freaking tight. AREB, huh? What does that have to break? 850 basically. NB. Throw it down. Heck. What's up, Killing? See what 9 o'clock gives us. I think algos are the reason we have the volatility. We're literally playing against Aladdin. Think about that. All right, 9 o'clock coming up. We might get some news here. The trading view updated itself a little bit, didn't it? Oh, jeez.
Billy, here's one for you, chat. How is marijuana stock sold on the stock market? Buy high, sell higher.
It's so stupid. Oh my gosh. Can really nothing here. Alt I. Are you trying to dick me over? Why is Nvidia crashing? Because they're not allowed to sell one of their products to China. That's why. They were informed yesterday for the indefinite future. I saw that, Drake. Someone always knows. Well, someone always knows, and someone always makes money on this shit. Well, it's not manipulation, but it's insider trading. Question is, could it have been someone on the Chinese side? Like they got word, nope, can't get H20s anymore. Was it Nvidia? Like who? It could have been anybody. Was the Trump administration? They certainly knew much earlier. It's like, how do you find a needle in a haystack? Could have been anybody along the chain of no. Special kind of stupid. Is it somebody's spouse? Like, well, I mean, you gotta have $3 million and know what to be selling puts against, right? So it's definitely Nancy Pelosi is basically what I'm getting at. Or selling calls. Isn't that what the play was? They sold a ton of calls. Could be a Stafford ain't gonna have 3 million. Stafford might know someone with 3 million. I don't know. Feeding somebody some juice. Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be all sorts of talk. You know, we're gonna crack down on whoever, but good luck finding that person. Could be freaking anybody. It's getting over the 200. Saw what that could do yesterday on these stocks. We're still draining the swamp. Sure feels like it's a little swampy. Oh, volunteer White House intern. Yeah, give me that job. Damn. Speaking of jobs, let me see what you all think of this. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the details here, but whatever. Get I'm not in the contract. Freaking doing that to me, Jake? All right. This is from, I've never heard of RainBet. Have you guys heard of RainBet? Let me look it up. You have Darksea? RainBet. Casino and Sportsbook. Dodgy crypto. Why is it dodgy? All right. What on God's green earth is that thing? Okay. They want me to stream their site 45 minutes to an hour at the end of my stream. I'm given $600 per stream. So that's 45 minutes, $600. That's pretty damn good. Max, I keep 20% at the end of the stream. So if I have $600 and I make $3,000, I can withdraw a maximum of $600. I get this is the kicker here. 20% affiliate code. You'll earn 20% of all casino profits of all the players in your code forever. You just require a Discord channel on top of your Discord allocated to RainBet, since you're not allowed to promote the code over Twitch. We just want your ref link posted there. Yeah, RainBets. They want me to gamble for an hour. Pyramid scheme? No, that's not how a pyramid scheme works. Pyramid scheme is you pay in and then you try to get other people to pay in so you get paid. This isn't quite the same. You gamble every day though. Just a different vehicle. What's the lowest increment? So basically, they want me to. I mean, I can go in and just freaking gamble a penny. That'll go quick. Tell me I want 1,000. Probably, I want 1,000. Don't do it. Why? Give me the reason. Why not to? I would love nothing more to turn into a gambling stream where someone's paying me $50,000 a stream to gamble. That doesn't happen anymore. Thanks, Twitch. But you kidding me? That's the dream? Is there some shady offshore quasi-legal operation? I'll end up looking like that. Unregulated or generally scammy. Well, if has anyone had bad experience with Rainbet? I need to know that. 100K all in on black or red. Do it. Oh, yeah. Above this type of ad? You think I'm above this type of ad? What if it was 1,000, Soils? $1,000 for 45 minutes. I'm willing to sell out. I make so much of money already. I can make more though. What's my shoe size? Like 13. What are we talking about? Rainbet's trying to sponsor my stream. I literally would be given free money to gamble with. I've never gambled in my life. That's silly, of course, just giving gambling addictions. In a perfect world, it'd be like 13 and a half, but they don't make that. So my height, I'm 6'3". I dislike losing more than I like winning. Yeah. Half of the 600 0 day, and it's a deal. It doesn't work like that. The 600 is in the account.
Poor Billy. SJ is going to be the only one that gets addicted to gambling. He thinks they're going after us, but really, they want his due.
You can stream gambling on Twitch. Your increment bets have to be under a certain amount. I can withdraw daily. I'm not entertaining it, but I actually might entertain it if I knew that the games did not have a pathway. I don't know what they call it. So a lot of times if you're on say you play a slot machine, it is already predetermined for 1,000 years of playing of what the slot will do. I don't know what it's called. The seed, yeah. So like, it already knows RTP. Yep. You guys are getting it right. It already knows you're going to win this much in 5 pulls. You're going to win this much at pull number 21. You're going to lose until then. You're going to win this much at pull 124. You know, it's already in stone. So if that's the case, then bullshit. But if it's true random, which I don't know if it's possible or not, but yes, scope. 1K in 30-minute time. I'd literally do 1 penny pulls. STAI with a headline here. TGL. TGL to launch Mezzo. Apply for major rollout target. 2 to 4 million of recurring and revenue. Is this old? This is fresh. Seems fresh. $37. All right, I gotta potty. Be right back. It's mine. it's juicing good. What I do to what? TGL? Still working out. All right, let's make some money. bull with a level over 44. Canada 5, thank you. MP, is it still doing stuff? It kind of was really wild yesterday. Up 10%. Okay. I mean, this is not normal. Big move up, bigger move down. And you see it here. It's just like, what is this thing? That was a really good break. I was trying to figure out where the 2802 came from because it was showing 2802 as the high. So I didn't take it. Just trying to figure out if the candle I was on was already broke. Wasn't the case. MP juicing further. NVIDIA? Yeah. Entering C daily cock. Good volume on it. MP, another cuck and go potential. $31. So this cucked here. Kind of spready. Come on, come back up. Spreads really suck. Of course. Oh, that's changing it? Yeah. Yeah. Time to pull back further. 26, fortunately, is where my cost basis is. No change, Roger. $27. Spreads are just hot garbage on this right now. Five-minute cuck. Oh my gosh. Trying to decide if I'm gonna add here. Should have added. $50 break. Why is MSGM moving? I don't get that one. MSGM. NB cuck and go potential. Over 69. Got levels 77. Not going. Back to this. See if I can salvage this thing. Bull curl. Oh, just missed the cock. Bull 44 break. Good fill. Kind of stalling out on me. No. Okay. MSGM. Holy dung. What happened? Wow. and B, going for it again. It's got levels. All right, I've got to exit this MP. That thing is just dying on me. Nice 1500 loser. Check out this 77 break. Horseshit film. Film at 86. Just trying to get out because my fill was not where I wanted it to be. Bull trying again. Over 92, 1 minute. It's really thick up here. Watching this bull, it's got quite the build out. $44. Jeez. Is that the Pope? It's getting spicy. Markets are selling. It's right there. Bull 4360 is my level right now. Break 43 one more time. Good, Phil. Shitty, Phil. Shittier Phils. NB. It's got levels here. It already cucked and tried. Didn't do anything. Top W. 93. Interesting. Bull hit 40. Oh man, 45.80. Screaming marmot. Is that what they call it? A marmot? How'd you get gypped?
I don't have a carbon footprint. I just drive everywhere.
So stupid. Freaking parrot. Well, this ain't doing anything today. Let's get rid of this. Bull absolute juicer. I wish this would give us a candle under candle because I really don't want to go break high day without it. It's kind of garbage right now. See how long that fill took? This is easily 15 seconds on a market order. That's why I don't like OTC stocks. KKR. Support 10 billion sale of Atlantic Aviation. Glad I sold MP. Jeez, that thing's a dumpster fire now. Bull juicing. This is the 5 minute here. How do you not rip toward? I mean, there is a big seller there. Everybody sees it, but it's not that many shares. Base hit. Spiny S 1 day min. Bull. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I let that one go. One minute cock on it is 47.52. Hasn't had a pullback yet. Why does Wimmy look like an IPO? First split. 4 weaves getting crushed. Nvidia sent FU, I guess. I don't think they did. I think that's what they said. 47. No, failed break. Oh, gosh. Of course. This TBX might have a 5 minute. Something like a 280 break. Rejection. It's ugly. that in. TLTR. I mean, that was your resistance level, right? And it's respected that. I don't know. This whole market's crazy. I don't know what good is anymore. It's not like we're in an uptrending market, so it's hard to pick. And about close to that level. Yeah, of all the days, NMAX is going to go green today. Not yesterday on the Daily Cock, today. Probably. When we open. USAR, big pop out of nowhere. Oh, no, that's MPOT, sorry. There it is. I missed it. Hey. It's away for a second. Kind of a failed move anyway. No fear bone. What are you guys seeing? Anything? This thing had insane volume yesterday, like no volume today. And it's got blue sky. Got one fill above the bed. Yeah, Whammy Halta going down. Full 5 minute. Come on, flip. The LPW is going now. HX, yesterday's IPO. Yeah. It was all just dog shit yesterday. Oh, it did gap up at first, I guess. The China IPOs are just turning shittier and shittier each one. .84. You trade on volume? Why do you have to take where do you live, lady? I thought you were US. Oh, you trade on volume and there's not enough volume, is what you're saying. I should have gone. Can this move up? Yeah, I guess with me is a 10-minute. Damn. And there's the use arm. If I was like, fat end again. I missed my end max. Critical mineral stock being floated on social media. This one was listed with USAR and MP, but never moved. And it's been lagging ever since. It's this wall. Still 2,000 shares and it hits 176. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you Sar. Bullshit, Phil. And there's the 48 break, of course. You gonna go straight to 50? Probably. Gonna sell some there. What's my entry? 47. 40. Right there. USAR 1 minute. Okay, that's a good trade. And bot broke and came back down. It's getting closer. Let me hold it down again. Bulls all over the place. Trying for that 50 now. Omax. There's 50 on Bull. LPW just grinding away. USAR high day incoming. What is that? 49 break? STBX. We got 283. 285. Hard rejection. Jeez. Trying to hold 50 on BUL. I hit 94. I think that 1 minute cocked. That's not a good look. Yeah. Not a good look. And max 45's right there. It's a 5 minute. Come on. Just tap high. No. Bull coming back up with the W. Yep, there goes. ETH juicing? What's that about? Good fill. Bad fill. crypto pop. I see that. We're getting positive ticks right now. Just kind of nutty. This market, dude. Bull, trying again. Yeah, 57. I feel like I should take this. That 52 is going to break. Yeah, I wonder if the volume down today is having to do with Jay Powell speaking later. It's 52.20 on bull. To 250 on bull. VIX is dropping. Yeah, they're going to have to wait. They're going to wait until something shows up in the data. Hard data has not supported. Yeah. Or to veer course, I should say. Really slow right now. Oh shit. Short report on Hut. Just went long on it. Well, that was interesting. I heard Beta Chuck call it out, and I'm like, okay. Play the game. Then I didn't hear the reason right away. USAR coming up at that 1620 for a 5-minute. MACD on the ones against us. Any chance NVIDIA go below 100? Potentially. You'd have to. I mean, look how important. Just do a little research. How important the H20 was to China and NVIDIA. There it goes. SAR 1620. How'd I get filled at 22? It's working out okay, thank God. 1640. That needs a flip, otherwise we crumble up at this resistance. 40 and 50. All right, crack that level. You gotta wait for Main Street. I was holding it a little longer than. I mean, usually it's a little quicker than that, but on that short, yeah. The fact that I fucked up the entire trade overall, I was just happy to get out, basically break even. $11 purchase order. $11 million purchase order. Can we go up and not have a wall of sellers ready for this news? Like, this happens too often in this damn market. USAR juicing. Just lower in size and getting out. It's that USAR. And at 17. Damn it. UAL trying to curl back out. Going. Going. VIX dropping here. Trump administration plans to add steep fees to packages from China. Will deal blow to Temu, Shein, and some TikTok shop sellers wearing American consumer. The PDD. Let's watch UAL around that 69. USAR high day. Bull's doing a 5-minute cock. Let that settle in a little bit. Watching that NMAX 5-minute. Missed it. Damn it. This is hard. The spreads are so bad on this thing. Nick calling out MP. Ooh, I like that, Nick. Good call. NMAX 5-minute just hit. I got filled. Unbelievable. What's Chuck saying? Alright, got out of that one. Probably goes high day though, right? I didn't get such a bad fill to start with. It'd be in it still. USAR just screaming. Stay for after bond. I actually have to go soon and start packing up for my trip. I won't be here that late, I don't think. I have a long drive. I'm gonna go get my ears rescanned for my new inner ear monitors. For those that are new, I use inner ear monitors as my headset. Highly recommend some sort of molded ear, whatever. If you sit at a computer for 10 hours a day listening to stuff, it is the most comfortable option out there. And you don't rub your freaking head raw. Shut up, cheese. MP.
Mass attack starts in.
Are you
5,
freaking
4,
kidding me right
3,
now?
2.
We're gonna do
1.
this.
Mass attack.
It's like every day now. Oh my gosh. All right, have at it. Here I go, missing trades again. Because this damn digital shit getting thrown at me. Oh my gosh. For those that don't know, you have 2 minutes to throw as much digital shit at me as you want. It's down, scroll down below the screen into the viewer attack section and figure it out. Holy jeez. Come on. Come on. Get it out of your system. I want to see. Hit me with the stuff that describes your week so far. All right? So if it's fat men in your face, then I want fat men on my face. If it's dog shit, I want dog shit. If it's, bro, having way with the women, I want to see some bras, man. That's what I want to see. Yep. Rubbing dog shit on your face. Shit. Oh, someone got laid last night. Congratulations. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Here, come on. Right here. Give it on my face. Put it on my face. This is breaking your PC. That's really bad. Really, really bad. Hey, by the way, I missed my MP trade. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? 10 more seconds. Get it in. Get it in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Make it happen. Make it happen. Feel good for you? Is it good for you? Mother of God! Hope you. $69.40 is a W on UAL. Of course, it broke and didn't go anywhere. And of course, I filled right at 69.40. And down. Okay. And 20 cent spread on UAL. Okay. More bullshit, please. Alex, I'll take bullshit for 1,000, please, and thank you. Horseshit, Phil. I knew it. Freaking it. Dropped it as soon as I freaking. Hi, there's 73. It is just getting smacked. It's smacked, but then the ask gets smacked. Let me see if I can kill it by putting an order on the ask. Get rid of my order. That one sticks. Okay. Registrations down for Tesla in California quite a bit. I wonder if this tanks it. Oh man, 07. Bullshit, Phil. Better.
Oh, stock! Jock! Oh, stock! Jock! Hope it was good for you. The markets aren't moving.
Oh my gosh.
But we be grooving.
Anyone else gets slightly turned on when the freaking parrot said it like that? It's just me. Oh, yep. I was muted. Sorry. TGL. I do not want to touch this thing. This is way too controlled. NVIDIA breaking low a day. UAL through 70. Nice. Yeah, Max is fun. Give us a little pullback first before you go in, Max. MP gearing up for another level break. Nvidia is getting shit on. Wait, what? Right into a cuck. You piece of shit, man. You're such a piece of shit. A cock and a cuck. This is what this candlestick looks like. Cock cuck. Can't even, man. Dirty mother cucker. That's right. Can we watch Dev's video again? Man, you guys pulled that one. That's like a 2-year-old video, you know. Yeah, let's watch it. Give it to me. Let's see it. Give me the link. We'll watch it now. Could definitely not watch that yesterday. I'm surprised Devi hasn't made a new one. It was like legend now. Pinned it. You guys pinned it? Oh my gosh. Well, I need the link. The stream. There it is. Thank you, Luca. Oh gosh. All right. Here we go. I wasn't sucking on a Dr. Pepper.
I saw Dick last night. Old man Dick, too. So, I mean,
I'll be looking for the cock on that one. Thrones. We're going to go straight tip everything on this channel. Okay? I just want straight tips. I don't know how I feel about that. They are awesome. I mean, I can understand it being awesome. It's like holding a cock, right? Who doesn't like holding a cock? Oh, wait, that's not a cock. Son of a gun. Just please give me the juice. Release your juice in me. I'm in love with a stripper. I want the full length. With small size. I have yet to get one with big size. Except the one where I had a heart attack. There was one. And it was like, what, a 3 or 4? I'll suck everybody. Keep like choking on it. Ugh. My cheeks hurt. Ah. I got dick so hard today. I'm still feeling it. I can't wait to go back and just start blowing these dudes out. I've been sitting here fingering my butthole for the past 4 hours and nothing. Dick is so hard right now. Goodness gracious, I hope it gets sucked off tonight. I can't wait to put your premium nuts in my mouth.
do I suck the head? I suck the head.
Holding
Penis
primarily
is
treasury
hot right now.
securities.
Damn. I have a video called My Cock. You should check it out.
It's a lot smaller than it used to be. Oh my gosh. Don't clip that.
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
It's not ass crack, that's the shorts. I'm erect. What about you guys? Dev, why is this the longest my booty cheeks? I wasn't sucking on a doctor. What did I say at the end? He's bouncing off my booty cheeks. Okay. I wasn't sucking on a doctor. Okay. Groovy, you weren't supposed to see that. And Mac. Freaking lady trader, I swear. This STBX is interesting. Strong support. Maybe a 312 break does it. So I love you, bro. Best cock ever. Oh my gosh. So not gonna lie, you were looking like a real snack the whole time in the video. Well, that's true. That's why half of you still watch this channel, even though you don't even know what day trading is. Because I'm gorgeous. Busted. And Max, more juice.
That took STI, Sandy, Tango, India. Sure seeing a spike in activity, new highs. STI.
My 1,000 shares is the one that moved the stock 14 cents. Okay.
Hey, you get off my cloud. Let me get raw with my southpaw style. Mover, puffing on a fat blunt from Cuba. It's the methtycal jet to Cal, the Buddha.
What did I just listen to? Wu-Tang Parrot? Is that what it was? You start coming back up. It's breaking this diagonal and it's holding it. MP with more juice. I didn't originally take that trade yet, Natty, because it broke the diagonal and I wanted in for the 6 break here, but it cracked it and came right back. So I was like, well, it's probably going to consolidate and then maybe go again, but I don't hold for that usually. I'll re-enter if I want to re-enter, but the retest worked. I mean, we're still there. We'll see. pullback. I mean, this thing just doesn't pull back when it breaks. It just goes up, 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 till it doesn't. What is your opinion on how high gold is? I don't know. I don't follow gold, so I really couldn't tell you. I couldn't give you a reasonable response to that. If you overlap the gold and the S&P 500, it's like the same chart, right? So not anymore. Oh yeah, maybe. I'm not talking about this year. If you overlay it like on a 10-year or 20-year, isn't it look like that? I think we did that a while ago. Isn't it like the same thing? MMA Daily Cock here. And Max going for 30. I cannot believe this thing is moving today.
NMAX Newsmax share is pumping to the highs now. Newsmax share is up about 13%. NMAX.
I about hit 2,000 share buy on that because I thought Chuck had something on it. Thought there was news, but he was just calling out the high day break. Good volume on it. See if it can break and hold 30. Yesterday's high is 31. Retest of 30. You get over yesterday's high of 30.97. This would be a cuck and go on the daily chart. You saw her going for high day again. Thank goodness it's pulling back first. STBX at a break. Yeah. It's the high there, 40 something. 4. It's the retest. It's holding so far. Oh, the fill! Come on! That is horseshit, man. It's at 315 when I hit the sell button. There goes X. Markets are juicing here. Big window here. They cry in the world, and then they say this. BSC Rogers notes some governing council members were more optimistic that we won't forecast big upward pressure on inflation. Change like the wind, huh? Potty break.
AMPG shares at the highs now. Alpha Michael Papa Golf, AMPG. AMPG earlier out with a press release. Their division secured $11 million company record purchase order. That's AMPG at the highs, shares up about 27% now on Amplitech Group, AMPG. LYFT headline circulating now: Lyft on track to launch AVS in downtown Atlanta this summer. LYFT. Shares of Lyft getting a pop here on that news. United CEO on their call says, United executive, not a CEO, United executive on the call said international travel demand looks really good and is a strong source of profits for United. That's UAL. WINA Winmark reported $2.81 in earnings. S&P future is popping here now. They're at 53.99. Fitch said it cut world growth forecast for 2025 by 0.4 percentage points, and China and U.S. by 0.5 percentage points versus March forecast. WINA Windmark increased its quarterly dividend to 96 cents per share. WINA.
No, ticker APLD, Alpha Papa Lima Delta. Share seeing a spike in activity, new highs, APLD.
Jeez. Insane if true. What did I miss? What did I miss, Winston? Yeah, USAR's interesting. Hidden seller. Yeah, 4,000 shares go through at 41. Didn't budge. It's a hidden seller. And then the ask came down a penny. Not a good look. Second attempt. Nope. NB ripping. Whoa. Where'd that come from? Oh, broke it. $17.50. Come on. And 60. Everybody else gets filled on the ask. Not me. As soon as I take them off, someone gets filled. Sold
U.S.
some
Health
that way.
Secretary Kennedy says moving autism study from CDC to newly created Administration for Healthy America.
Good exits. Good exits. This is pumping. How is this market? Just makes zero sense. I've got to be close to green, right? Close. $200. We're close. I've had one bad trade today, that MP trade, where, you know, I completely reversed the stock. You know, this one was like an $1,800 loser, and I've been playing catch up all day. I would have just cut it when I felt like it wasn't going anywhere. Your van is not ready. Okay. This guy. NMAX 5-minute. SMMT. How would I describe it? A scalper. Inside of scalping, I look for mainly price compression. There's two types: Momo or momentum, and kind of my favorite is price compression and then expansion.
No, ticker PSTV, Papa Sandy Tango Victor. Sure, seeing a spike in activity, new highs. PSTV.
Why is weed moving today? Oh, peeled. What was that? Low a day. This market makes no sense. NVIDIA writing off $5.5 billion related to China restrictions is a warning flag. Obviously, this project is not as great as the latest Blackwell chips, but they should not need to be written off if demand was that robust globally. Huh? I also believe the upcoming hyperscaler CQ1 results in aggregate will be weak on slowing training demand, and the innovations by DeepSeek are proliferating the industry and reducing inference costs by over 90%. But the silver lining is this may accelerate the process of lowering expectations, though, so they are achievable, and the risk reward is once again compelling. inference demand should ultimately drive significantly more chip demand than training by the end of the decade as AI agents get widely adopted by consumers. I believe this is just a digestion phase, much like those in the 1990s.
Coming up at around
Internet
1:15, 1:30, Fed
infrastructure
Chair
continue to
Powell
be built out, but
will be
that
speaking
build
at
out
the
occurred over
Economic
5-6
Club of
years before the
Chicago.
ultimate bust due to overbuild. We're just over 2 years into the AI build out since the release of ChatGPT in late 2022. I still have faith in the Jetsons' future. From Dan Niles. So, way to say nothing. Thank you, Winston. Could go up, could go down. Yeah, that's basically what he said. SBEV is a little interesting. Not much, though. I don't like that it broke this level here and didn't do anything with it.
I'll let you know, weed stocks, Tilray shares see these spike in activity, new highs.
Why is weed moving? Because of 420. That's on Sunday. And most of last month's GDP was due to record gold imports. How do these peeps keep it in check? Oh, me. I didn't realize gold was part of that calculation. Gold imports. Set up a soundboard with clips from the montage. Homicida, why don't you ask chat how much they would pay for a soundboard? No way they're spending 1,000 bits on the soundboard. I'm telling you, man. Been doing this a while. No one's gonna pay 1,000 bits. I don't even get 1,000 bits ever. Much less for the use of a soundboard or the Parrot, for that matter. If I made the Parrot $10 to use, no one would use it. A squirt gun or a shocker? Is this real fingers or is this fake? Wimmy 5-minute potential. It's got a bit of a price compression on Wimmy. No fingers like under your seat. So robotic fingers is what I'm getting at. I understood what you meant. Shocker would be 10. I'm cheap. I mean, wait, how deep are we talking here? I mean, are we just talking a little tap? Are we talking the hand of Thor going through my abdomen? Like, what are we talking about here? I give you 5,000 bits. Jeez, to Pope. Is that how many freaking things? Who gave you all money? All right, I gotta try it. Over 602 would probably be an ad, honestly. And rejection so far. There's 2,500. Is that what that damn thing costs? It's probably worth every penny. Because that thing is loud as shit in my ears. The weasel's loud, but that one's double. Looking for a 6 break, maybe. The gunshot's not as loud.
Health Secretary Kennedy says it's time for the NIH to study environmental factors, describes genetic causes as a dead end.
Is NB still there? Can you explain wash sales? I'm new to trading. I'm seeing this term a couple times. Yeah, it's something that you probably need to pay attention to if you're day trading, not in a margin account, or not a margin account, in without mark-to-market accounting. It's bullshit, is really what it is. I honestly can't. I know what it is, but I couldn't explain it to you easy. Let me ask ChatGPT to explain it. Explain what wash sales are. You missed the Pope. Wash sales are to a person that doesn't know anything about trading. It's processing. It'll give us a good way. All right, here we go.
All right, imagine this. You bought a stock, let's say Banana Corp, and it went down in price. You don't want to keep it, so you sell it for a loss. Normally that loss could help lower your taxes, but here's the catch. If you buy the same stock again within 30 days, either before or after the sale, the IRS says, hold up, that's a wash sale. You don't get to claim the loss. Simple example. You buy Banana Corp at $100. It drops to $80. You sell it at $80. You lost $20. Then 10 days later, you buy it again at $82. That $20 loss, you can't use it on your taxes because you rebought the same stock too soon. They think you're just trying to lock in the loss for tax reasons without really getting rid of the stock. Key points. 30-day rule applies to the same stock or even a very similar one. It's meant to stop people from fake selling just to get tax breaks. The loss
Not your Nightscope KSCP shares seeing a bump in activity, new highs. Kilo Sandy, Charlie Papa.
Maybe use it later. Let me know if you want a visual or how it affects active traders.
What do they mean by very similar one? What do you mean by very similar one? The hell is that? Like options? Is that what you think it is? They're referring to, or maybe warrants or something?
Great question. When the IRS says still very similar, technically substantially identical, they don't just mean the exact same stock. They're also trying to catch
COOT,
workarounds.
Australian
Here's what
Oil
that
Seeds
could mean.
Holdings
Shut
files
up,
prospectus
Chuck!
for offer and
Same.
sale of up to
Selling
25.9 million ordinary shares by selling shareholders. That is Charlie Oscar Tango from a filing. COOT.
Great question. When the IRS says still very similar, technically substantially identical, they don't just mean the exact same stock. They're also trying to catch sneaky workarounds. Here's what that could mean. Definitely the same. Selling Apple stock, AAPL, and buying Apple stock again within 30 days equals wash sale.
Oh my
Possibly
gosh,
very
the Pope.
similar, risky area. Selling Apple stock, AAPL, and buying Apple call options within 30 days. The IRS considers options on the same stock to be substantially identical. Selling an S&P 500 ETF from
So it's-
Vanguard and buying the S&P 500 ETF from iShares
Oh
right
my
after.
gosh, the Pope.
They're different brands, but they track the exact same index, so the IRS
Double
might
shit.
treat them as substantially identical
Oh
too.
my gosh, double shit.
Hash. Usually not considered similar. Selling Apple AAPL and buying Microsoft MSFT equals not a wash sale. Different companies, no problem. Selling a tech ETF and buying a healthcare ETF equals also fine. Bottom line. If it's the same company or an option ETF that's tracking the same thing, the IRS might call it a wash sale. Want help figuring out if a specific trade counts or not?
All right, that makes a little more sense about the options and stuff. No, so Darko, there's a workaround. So I don't deal in wash sales. The reason is
Oh, it's an AI.
hang on.
AI news. Microsoft researchers say they developed a hyper-efficient AI model that can quote, run on CPUs.
Are we just shitting on Nvidia today? Is that what we're trying to do? All right, well that's not going up. It's going the other way. Anyway, so let me show you. Huh. All right. So this is from the IRS website. And if you are a trader, this is the definition of a trader, according to the IRS, then you can elect a mark-to-market election, which one of the benefits is you don't have wash sales.
SON Sunoco increasing its quarterly dividends. Sandy Oscar
believe-
November.
Is that attached to mark-to-market, or is it just trader being a benefit of it? Nah, it's got to be mark-to-market. Anyway, you can read up on this if you would like. This is the website. And this is how to do it. So, anyway. Yeah, trading is, yep. The definition of a trader is all there. It's a 5-minute. $97's the big level. Really? Tin seller. It's cool. Tin seller on this random stock with like barely any volume. Find tin sellers there. Find them everywhere. USAR trying again. Did not see that coming, honestly. Ten times out of 10, I'm going to take a 5-minute that looks like that. Only to watch it do nothing? Come on. SBEV, huh? Oh, jeez. So it went cock. Bizarre movements here. Get me out. SBEV. Talked about that one curling. Gold is freaking rocking and rolling here. EXF. It's an interesting daily. This float is minute. Started to come. SBEV trying. So this did a candle over candle.
Home Depot's annual $2 mulch bag deal is going on right now, boys.
$2 mulch deal, huh?
Ads got me good Amazon.
Over 750, I like this. It's a daily level. 815 kind of gets the dumb level. Actually, it's 818. There's 8, 8 to 10. At 11's the first level. How did I fill this at 81? Oh, and then it breaks. Oh my gosh. As soon as I exit. Luca, glad you made millions. Look at the spreads now. Oh, geez. Now it's going to go, isn't it? Next daily level's 930. Maybe 9. 860. 850. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. Called this out. Exit. Moon. Anyone have the halt level in this? I kind of do want to be in this for a halt. I feel like this could be a fun one. Anybody?
I'll take a DXF Delta X-ray Foxtrot share seeing a spike in activity, new highs. DXF.
60-cent spread there. Highs 882. You're in this, Soils? Damn you. 898. Thank you, Relic. This is the retest of that 818 daily level going on right now. Top tech. 60. Gotta break 66. 64. 80. Ooh. 80. 82 is the high. Horseshit, Phil. Gosh, damn it. And I sold all. I forgot I was not on. I wanted 500 shares there. The range of this thing, man. Jeez. That's a kind of a failed cuck. Ah, Tristan, you're one of those that are here for my incredibly good looks. Tesla ripping, or is it going down? Markets are finally selling off. Like, makes sense of this, right? Big pop up, and then we just sell off uniformly for, an hour. Okay, pal. I think it's 230? No, 130. You got me on some 6 shoes. You're sending me shoes, Vaxta? Are they Nikes? Or are you sending me something else that New Balance in white? Game worn. Are they Jordans? You send me Jordans? I don't know sneakers. I don't know sneakers. Nike Air without the Nike. You saw a massive bounce. It's an 8 break. Okay, that worked. That worked way better than I thought it would. Wow. See if 850 can break and hold. Really, the level's 882 right now, but first spot's gonna be 850. $97, 9, 905.
Wall Street Journal headline: U.S. plans to use tariff negotiations to isolate China. U.S. plans to use negotiations with more than 70 nations to ask them to disallow China to ship goods through their countries. That from the Wall Street Journal.
DXF is still going. 935.
Disregard. That's a repost of an earlier headline.
I was gonna say, just surprised nothing's moving on that. It's the 935.
SPOT, Spotify said their outage is now fixed. Sandy Papa Oscar Tango.
USAR, just straight up from here. I mean, this is crazy. Wow. You think so, Cheese? All right, what am I, 500 red? Yeah. That one trade is killing me, man. This is still ripping. Bridger's deleted it? Oh my gosh. Freaking savage, man. DXF still juicing. That's a pullback. Jeez. Is that halted down? Wow. You, Amy? Does it have blue sky? Quite the grinder. Spev, Baba, can't believe that's not dying. And max 5-minute. Video get dunked on.
Glad to see at least someone making money in this market.
I ain't making money today. Freak devil, let's go. I'm down $480. All right. I gotta leave for my trip or get ready for my trip. So I'm gonna call it here. Down $400, whatever. Don't care. Market's probably gonna be nothing until Jay Powell speaks later on today. Reminder, no stream tomorrow. I am out of town. I don't think I'll have very good instrument. So I will be, and then we have no trading Friday. Friday's Good Friday, so it's going to be a long weekend. Monday, we'll be back at it. No stream tomorrow, and then Friday. It's Friday. Did I make money this week? I feel like I did. Well, I know I did because I made money yesterday. Off stream, I hit that UAL after hours, made close to $900. But I don't know if I made money this week. Outside of that, I can't remember what Monday was. Let's look real quick. See if I can get it in time. All right. Made $1,000. And that's with today's loss. Not bad. Not where I really want to be, but not bad. It could be worse. This month has been a banger, though. 19,000. All right. See you Monday, everybody. Peace out.